This fried rice recipe is sure to change your cooking game from 100 to 1,000. Hey my lovelies, welcome to Shubi's Kitchen. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, just know that I love you so much. You want to stick to the end for this because I'm going to be sharing pro tips on how to achieve a fried rice that does not turn bad easy. So firstly, you want to make sure that your protein game is top notch. Like you want to season your proteins so well, and here is how to achieve a perfect seasoned protein. I'm going with enough onions, my white pepper, my lemon pepper seasoning, my curry powder, thyme. I add in rosemary, bay leaf to this because every single thing adds its own unique flavor. I went it with my chicken cube. More often than not, I do not use salt in my food, so I have to make sure that my seasoning game is 100, top notch, like it's spot on, that kind of thing. And the truth is that doesn't mean that there is no salt component in my food, because white pepper has its own salt. Even some stock cubes, if not all, contain salt in it. So you want to add a bit of water, cover your pot and allow your turkey to cook. So into another pot, you want to add in your vegetable oil, your onions. This is where you need to pay attention, your thyme, your curry. I added rosemary to this. What you want to achieve is a flavored oil. You see that I stirred it continually on a very low heat because you want all those dry herbs to bring out its original seasoning into that oil. Then go ahead and add in your chopped carrots, your chopped bell peppers like the Christmas color, red, yellow, green. Add in your white pepper, your black pepper. You want to combine this all together, and I'm telling you that these flavors that you're building, hey my god, it will make the overall taste of your fried rice come out superb. I added in my seasoning cube, but take note of this, you do not want to add in too much seasoning cubes because you're still going to add it while boiling your rice for the fried rice, and you don't want it to be super overpowering. So there has to be a balance, and that is why you always have to taste when you cook. I added in sweet corn and combine this together. Allow it to cook on high heat if you still want to maintain the crunch. I went ahead to add in my edo or liver to this. You can fry your liver, that's a good one if you want to, but I just went straight up after boiling my liver to add it into this beautiful mix. In another pot, you want to add in your olive oil or vegetable oil, your onions. The aim is to achieve a flavored oil. Go ahead and add in your washed rice. I use basmati rice for this particular recipe. You can use normal rice. Now, this is a very important step that you have to take note of if you want to achieve that perfect fried rice, the one that is not gummy, that stands in grains. You want to properly fry your rice on, medium low heat, 5 to 7 minutes. You want it to be fried. This is also one of the things that makes your rice last longer. Here is a secret to achieve that vibrant yellow in your fried rice. You want to blend in bell pepper, green bell pepper to be precise, and then pour in the liquid into your rice. Trust me, this camera is not doing justice to how beautiful and vibrant the yellow was. And this also intensified the flavor of this our fried rice recipe. If at this point you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, oh yeah, please now subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support me. Let me know that what I'm doing it makes sense and that you understand Now it is time to add in your quality stock to this your rice mixture after you fried it, and then combine it together. Then you cover and allow it to cook till it is done. Do well to fluff up your rice at intervals, and then you want to share your rice into two. Add in your beautiful veggie mix and then stir, combine well. You do not want to overly load this rice with the mixture. You want everything to just sit pretty. That's what you want to achieve. So just mix this, lift and turn, lift and turn. If you see that you need more of your veggie mix, feel free to add more. Just do you. And if you have still not subscribed, hey, wele, oh yeah, please subscribe to my channel. I can boldly say that I make the best Nigerian smoky jollof. And if you want to see how I achieved that, just click on the link that is up on your screen right now and head straight to the video. That same turkey that I showed you guys, I didn't cook it through because I was going to use it to make barbecue turkey that I actually do sell. So if you want to place an order for this grilled barbecue turkey, just head over to my Instagram page at Shubi's Kitchen, DM me. I sell in bulk. I sell half crate of turkey and full crate of turkey, and trust me, for this Christmas season you are settled with the most delicious grilled turkey. So let me know what is missing in this delicious dish. Is it some coleslaw, plantains, or juice? And if you want to see any recipe on my page, do well to type it in the comment section. And if you have any questions, any clarifications, let me know and I'll do well to answer every single thing. I hope you enjoyed this, and YouTube says that you should watch this video next.